yet another video. This is your girl Wirimukiago Okipendani Motes, and I know I have been away and I always disappear, but I'm really sorry about that. Like guys, I don't have Wi-Fi in my house, and sometimes as you all know, it's not easy to get bundles, and that is the reason why sometimes you won't find me online. But guys, I mean, I always show up after all. So today's video is a really nice video. So guys, as you all know, I moved out from my mom's place like, is it a month ago? And I've never done a house tour. And so today I have just decided to show you guys how my house looks like exactly how this place looks like. And don't mind the unfurnished places, cause I mean, nobody starts like, you know, boom, nobody builds a house like in a day. It takes time. So I'm glad for what I have at the moment, and I'm super proud of myself because I can pay my rent, I can pay my bills, and I haven't had any problems since I left my mom's house. And I think that deserves a clap. I don't know. Anyway guys, let me just show you exactly how this house looks. It's a bedsitter. As I told you, I moved in Thika because I'm currently studying in Mount Kenya University and I need to be close to my school, and it's the reason why I am where I am right now. I actually love my house like so much. I love this house so much. So let me just show you how exactly my house looks like. And if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of this family and not to miss out on any of our videos. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. So let me show you. So guys, I'm starting this vlog from my door, and this is where my door is. As you can see, that is my door. So the moment you come in, what you find is these beautiful shoe rack. As you can see, I have my shoes arranged there, and then on the opposite I have my cute bed. It's weird, I don't know if it's weird that I have my bed on the door side and this is the outside. Like I have my bed right there. So this is exactly how that part looks like. And then from the shoe rack, so from the door on your right, on your way in, we have the toilet. And oh, I see myself somewhere. So here's my toilet and the bathroom. So for now I'm having most of my things in the bathroom because I do not have some things, and yeah, I just have my essentials in the bathroom. And I have a mirror there that is stained. I found it that way when I was coming in this house. And then on this other side I have the shower. So this is how it looks like. And then I'm supposed to do roundly today, so I have those clothes over there. And guys, this place is big enough. Like, let me stand here. Okay, let me close the door first. So I'm standing right on this other side, and this place is like, you see, it's big enough for one, I don't know, for two. Usually I hang my mask here when I come back, yeah, because it's easy to remember where they are, and then dispose some of them. And then guys, oh my god, whew, look at this. Yeah, this is me at the moment. Like, I don't have a mat, and that actually is not my problem. And so I am using this blanket. This was my high school blanket, by the way. Like, I can't take the cold in this house. It's just too much cold in this house. So I just thought I can have my blanket down before I buy a mat. And I have no problem with it because this is my house. And yeah, I have my tripod there because I was vlogging right now, but usually I have it here. Yeah. So guys, let's go back. So from the door we have the shoe rack and we have the bed, and then we have this mirror. Yeah, I like looking at myself. And then from there we have my kitchen. At the moment my kitchen isn't fully furnished. I just have some essentials, and I was eating some chapatis in the morning, so I have one left over there. And then I have this there. It's my workout mat, but I have it there at the moment because I will clean the mat that I use there. It's in the bathroom because it's dirty. I will clean it, and yeah, I'm having my utensils there at the moment, but I'm supposed to buy something in place there to be having my utensils there. And then my sink, and I don't know if you can see, it's too dark here, but I have some stuff over there, cooking spices and stuff. And then I have this blender. You remember it? If you haven't watched this video of me opening this blender, you should. Here's the jug. Actually, it's a really nice blender, you see. Yeah, so from there I have, so that is it, my cooking table and my gas. And this, I use this to drink water, keep hydrated. And then from there I just have my tripod and that basin. I don't know if it's a basin where you put some stuffs, but I'm not putting dirty clothes there. I'm just having some of my sales clothes, and then I have my clothes there. So what I did, I had the bed cover, yeah, this one down because I didn't want to put my clothes down, so I put that sheet, this sheet here down, and then had some of the clothes, and then the rest of my clothes are under the bed, in the bag. So I'm supposed to furnish this place first, like that corner right there, because I need to have my cloth rack right there, and this mirror should move there too. Yeah, the mirror is supposed to move there, and then I'll have a stand. I'll show you the inspo, and then my cloth rack. I think that is the first thing that I'm gonna buy soon. So next video I'm just gonna show you how it all went on. This is the inspo, as you can see from the video. That is the inspo. And then I'm supposed to put a working table right there because I need one. Yeah. And so guys, the other best part about this house is the color. Like, I love this purple wall, and I'm so happy that I have this purple wall. Like, it's the reason why I even had my bed there, because I couldn't imagine wasting all this beauty with a bed. But also the reason why I have the bed there, like at the door, is because I feel like if the bed is there, I'll have enough space on this other side, as you can see. So right now I'm at the door, and you can see this place has like really huge space when my bed is right at the door. And I love sleeping next to the window. That is another reason why I have my bed here, because I love sleeping next to the window. And guys, I think that is all you need to see. Like, this house is really big. Let me just know what you think. And their ceiling is white. There's my light. Oh, okay, that one can't focus. So yeah, that is basically all about this house, and I love it as empty as it is. I really do love this house as empty as it is, because it's what I am right now, and I'm really motivated to furnish it. And I can't wait to give you like a full house tour. There I'm gonna have a fridge. On that basket I'll have a fridge. So guys, let me say thank you so much for watching this video until the end. And yeah, oh, you need to see my face. Okay, here's my face. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching that video until the end, and let me know what you think of my empty house. Yes, but I can't wait to give you like a full video. And until our next video, bye bye. I love you. Kisses for you always. Kisses for you always. Bye bye.